Ready to permanently delete your Temu account and reclaim your digital space? This guide will walk you through the complete process, step by step, to ensure your account is fully removed. First, open the Temu app on your smartphone or tablet. Make sure you're logged into the account you wish to delete. Next, tap on the U tab located at the bottom center of your screen. This is your account hub where you'll find all the settings you need. In the U section, look for the settings icon, which usually looks like a gear. Tap on it to open your settings menu. Scroll down through the settings menu until you find account security. This is where we manage account deletion. Tap on account security. Within account security, you should see the option to delete account. It might be at the bottom. Select delete account. Temu will present a confirmation page highlighting the implications of deleting your account. This includes losing order history, any pending refunds, and the inability to use your account again. Read this carefully. If you understand and still wish to proceed, check the box to acknowledge that you understand the consequences. Then, tap the continue button. You may need to verify your identity via email or SMS code, so follow the on-screen prompts. Finally, you will arrive at a final confirmation screen. Tap the delete account button to permanently delete your Temu account. Remember, this action is irreversible. And that's it. Your Temu account is now permanently deleted. It may take a few days for Temu to fully process the request, so be patient. Now you have successfully removed your information. Don't forget to subscribe for more tech tips.